name is Ronak and you're watching VectoArt. So in today's video, we'll take a look at the template studio provided by WinUI 3. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And if you are new to this video, please check out the ongoing series on my channel on WinUI. You will get to know how to create a project and what are the basic controls and collections available on this UI framework. So now next, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's first open the WinUI 3 gallery application, which I have explained in my previous videos, and there you will see the template studio button. So let's click on the template studio button and it will fire a website, and here you will see the download option for the template studio for WinUI 3. So this will provide you various templates to design the WinUI 3 application. Since you know that WinUI does not have a designer to work on, so this provides a nice template. And about the designer, I have explained in my previous videos, so please do check it out. So once you download this installer, install it and make sure your Visual Studio is closed when you are doing this operation, because sometimes it does not install. So fire up Visual Studio now once it is installed, and let's click on continue without a code first. The reason doing this is I just want to confirm whether the extension is perfectly installed. So let's go to extensions first, manage extensions, and under the install tab you should find the template studio for WinUI 3. If not, you try reinstalling it. Now let's go to file and go to the go to the start window, and let's start with creating a new project. So once you click create a new project, you will see that in the recent project templates you will find template studio for WinUI 3. Select template studio for WinUI 3 and click on next. So once you click on next, give your project a name. This is common for all the project types, as you know. So let's give this some name. Okay, and then leave the rest as is and click on create. Once you click on create, the template studio will fire up, and here you will see different menu items. So let's start with the project type. So you have a project type of navigation pane, menu bar, and a blank project. So navigation pane will provide you a navigation pane including the navigation bar, the hamburger menu, a side screen, and pages. So it's like using a mobile app. So that sort of functionality is provided here. So next, and we will also be looking it into detail. So next is the menu bar. It's like a menu, like a file menu that we see on the screen. So next is the design pattern, and only MVVM design pattern is available here by default. So I am going to select MVVM toolkit here, which will provide us a structured pattern with model, view, and view model. So let's go back. Here's some description about the MVVM toolkit. Next we'll go to pages. In here you can start with a blank page, just one page, or you can have multiple pages. So just to demonstrate what sort of bootstrap files it provides, I'll just keep on adding pages here. So let's start with main, and then next one, let it be users. I'm just adding some random topics here. So next is group, maybe customers. Okay, let's add one more, reports, invoice. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's add one more that should be the settings. Let's add about, and then we'll add settings. Okay, for settings it is a different page altogether, and then we have features. So we have all these features. We already have MSIS package installed, which comes bundled with WinUI 3. And then you can add theme selection. So this will allow you to change the themes based on your PC preferences, or also you can select manually from the dark and light themes. You can also add app notifications, which will pop up on your Windows notification area. The application notifications will be visible there. So you can go back here, can select that, and then the last one would be the testing module, and that will provide you the tests, default test cases, or basically it will set up a test project. So if you go to testing, it will provide you a default MS test project to this application with unit tests. So all that is summarized here on the right pane. Once you go through it, you can also choose to remove some of the features that you have selected, and once that is done, you can click on create. The project might take some time based on your processor speed, but once it is done. Also note that WinUI projects take a lot of time to load. It is still in the alpha stage, so, and that is the reason it does not have a designer yet, but the team is working on it, and there are some workarounds for the designer, and you can see them on my previous videos how to tackle those things. So on launch, it will open a readme file. You can go through it, and if you see the solution explorer, you have a structured MVVM pattern here available. So we have our main window, which is the starting point here. We have our app.xaml file, which has the configurations. We have the app settings.json file. Okay, and then we have the views. So here you will find all the pages that we have added on the while creating the template, and for those views we have the view models here. Then we have the models. By default we won't have models, but you can create. Then we have some assets like icons, splash screens, which you can make use of, and other important folders with services and service view models. I'll not go in detail in this. Okay, and now all you have to do is, before you run, go to configuration manager and also select the deploy option. If you encounter an error which says that please enable deploy mode on the configuration manager. So once that is in place, let's run the application. The build will take several minutes, but I have speed up this process, so it has launched now. You can remove that toolbar on the top, the debug toolbar. To do that, you can go to, while it is running, you can go to the live visual tree and toggle the first button. Once you do that, the toolbar will go away. You can enlarge the window, and you can see all the pages that we have added here, and based on the click it will automatically load the page inside the window. Cool, right? So, and on click of the hamburger menu, the navigation pane expands and contracts. So on at the bottom you have the settings page, which will allow you to change the theme. You can add other items as well in this settings, whatever your application settings are, and it also gives you the information about the application, the version. And hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, please do give this video a thumbs up like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.